In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cool liquid loading animation in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Figma files. Once you're there, draw a rectangular frame and make sure to set the corner radius to 100%. This creates a nice rounded look that's perfect for a water-like effect. This will serve as the base for your animation. Next, with the pencil tool, draw another rectangular shape. But here's the catch. The upper layer should be in a zigzag shape. You'll want to select that shape and adjust the corner radius to give it that flowing, wave-like appearance. To really bring the vibe of water to life, apply a gradient fill. Set the top color to a light blue and the bottom to a darker blue. This gradient will help simulate the look of liquid. Once you're satisfied with the shape, it's time for a bit of duplication. Copy the zigzag shape and paste it. Position the copy slightly to the left of the original shape. This overlap will add to the depth of your design, essential for that liquid effect. Now, take your newly pasted shape and slide it over the first created frame. Your goal here is to position it so that only parts of this shape are visible within the frame. Take your time with this step to ensure a pleasing result. With that done, it's time to create a component out of this shape. So copy it again and proceed to create the component. Within the component, add a variant. Variants are a great way to manage different states of a component easily. For the next step, drag the blue shape upwards in your variant. This positioning should give the illusion of the shape appearing filled, enhancing that look of liquid rising or flowing. Now we move on to making this come to life. Click on the first variant of your component and set an interaction for it. You'll want to add a slight delay so that when it animates, it gives a smooth transition effect. Use the Smart Animate feature to make the animation more fluid and appealing. The final steps involve testing your creation. Create a new frame where you can test your component. Now, drag the component you've created from the Assets panel onto this new frame. Make sure to set a flow starting point to initiate the animation. Once you're all set, click on the Preview button to see your animation in action. Watch as your liquid loading animation flows seamlessly, thanks to the thoughtful design and adjustments you made along the way. And there you have it. You've successfully created a cool liquid loading animation using Figma. With some practice and experimentation, you can refine this design even further, adding your own unique flair. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy designing!